Well, hey y'all, how's everybody doing? I hope everybody's doing well. All right, guys, so I got 4 different boxes for BoxyLuxe December to show y'all. And some of these have got some new products that we haven't seen before. So if you're excited for this video, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's 100% free. I promise you I won't charge you a thing. And before we get started, if you're new here, hi, I'm Mandy. I do a lot of makeup related videos. Now sometimes I'll go off track and do something else I'm interested in, but I promise not to disappoint you all the time. Now let's read that first comment from my last video, which was a sneak peek of what's coming in BoxyCharm 2020. Congratulations, Summer Breeze Young. Summer says, hi, girlfriend. Well, hi, Summer, honey. It's good to hear from you. I really appreciate that. I swear I do. You're always here to support my channels, and I can't thank you enough, honey. And Summer, I really appreciate it, honey. Thank you so much. I love you, girl. And if you yourself would like to get a shout out, be sure to leave a comment under this here video. You're going to have 1 out of 2 chances of getting it. You could either set your bound and try to be first at it, or you could be one of the comments I pick. You never know, I might pick you. Now stay till the end when I read the comment that I did pick. Alright guys, so again there's going to be 4 different variations right here, and I'm going to show you all 4. Some of them, like I said, have got some products that we haven't seen yet. So let's start with the first one, y'all. The first one, this one shows that it's got the Storybook Cosmetics Lil Brow Rose Palette and the Fresh Beauty Soy Cleanser. Then it's also got the Too Faced Melted Matte Lipstick. Then it's got the LMS Pro Collagen Rose Facial Oil. Then this one has the Ciate London Marbled Light Illuminating Blush. And then this is a new product that we haven't, or I haven't seen. It's the Ritual Cosmetics Foaming Shower Gel. And then this also has the IGK First Class Charcoal Detox Dry Shampoo. Wow, that's a mouthful, y'all. And then it's got the Kat Von D Dagger Tattoo Liner. And then the QMS Lip Line Corrector. Now the second one, it's also got the Storybook Cosmetics Lil Brow Rose Palette and the Fresh Soy Cleanser. This also has the Too Faced Melted Lippy. And this one has the Cosmetics Crystal Facial Roller. And this one actually has the Ciate London Confetti Highlighter. And then there's that Ritual Cosmetics Foaming Shower Gel again. And then this one also has the Kat Von D Dagger Tattoo Liner. And this one has the Saturday Skin Waterfall Glacier Water Cream. And here is another new product that I haven't seen yet. It is the In Beauty Project Power Up Face Mist. Oh, it's a Power Up Spray. Well, hell, now we know who it's by, y'all, or at least I do. Y'all probably already knew. Alright guys, so the next variation again is the Lil Brow Rose Palette by Storybook Cosmetics and Fresh Beauty Soy Cleanser. Also the Too Faced Melted Lippy, the LMS Pro Collagen Rose Facial Oil. Then this also has the Ciate London the Confetti Highlighter. Now this one, I already knew about this one, but it's part of the variation, so I'm going to tell y'all. It's the Daily Concepts Daily Hair Wrap Towel. And it's also got the IGK First Class Charcoal Detox Dry Shampoo. Wow. And the Kat Von D Tattooed Eyeliner. And also the QMS Lip Line Corrector. Now on to variation number 4, y'all. This again has got the Storybook Cosmetics Lil Brow Rose, the Fresh Beauty Soy Cleanser. Now this has got the Too Faced Rich and Dazzling Lip Gloss. And this also has the Cosmetics Crystal Facial Roller, and also the LMS Pro Collagen Rose Facial Oil. And this one has the M Green Grass Dry Oil Spray Beach Air. And this one also has the Ciate London Confetti Highlighter and that Daily Concepts Hair Towel. And it also has that, again, that Power Up Spray. It's the In Beauty Project Power Up Spray. And that's it. And as soon as they reveal anything else, if I see any more variations with something that I haven't seen yet, I will let you guys know. You know, I got to keep you in the loop. And as always, BoxyCharm's linked below if you want to go check him out. Now, guys, let's read the comment that I picked in my last video. Well, congrats, Priscilla Moralez. I think that's how you say that. Probably not, though. Anyways, Priscilla says, hey, love, I live for your videos. Priscilla, I swear that just warms my heart, honey. Thank you so much. I really appreciate that, and I'm so sorry about the dryer in the background. This is the second time this week I done clothes, and I usually try to only wash them on one day, like on the weekends, and, well, you know how that goes. These kids get dirty all the damn time. But I really appreciate it, Priscilla. I thank you so much for the support, honey. I love you, girl. And remember, guys, you got to leave that comment if you want to get a shout out. And guys, please make sure you're still subscribed to my channel. YouTube's taking my subscribers, likes, comments. They're taking it all. They're trying to ruin my life is what they're trying to do. But if you would double check that, make sure you're still subscribed. And if you're not, why the hell not? It's 100% free and it's a gift from me to you. And it's rude not to accept it, so you got to take it. So go on down there and hit that button. Then I'm going to need y'all to rate the video, but you're only going to have one option. You could only hit the thumbs up button because my thumbs down button quit working a long time ago and YouTube won't fix it. It really just shows engagement, but it also shows me what videos you guys are liking, what I need to do more of. And then there's one more tiny thing before you guys head out. Damn YouTube. If you would make sure your notification bell is set on, that way you don't miss another spoiler, you don't miss another video of mine. Y'all, I also do a lot of other videos other than these spoilers, so if you want to put a face to the voice, go ahead and check those out, y'all. And that's all I got for you today, and I love y'all so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.